Spring has come, the birds are singing, the sun is shining brightly in the sky, so it's high time to open the stone hounding season. Today we are heading out for some rock crystal, specifically smoky quartz. We are at the Astafievskoe deposit in the South Urals, Russia. Hi, it's mid-April. This is a short video about this year's first field trip in search of gemstones. We are back at the Astafievskoe deposit. Let's see what we can find this time. We don't have much time, so let's get straight to work. We start digging and yes, luck is on our side. Almost immediately we began finding individual crystals and even entire smoky quartz clusters. Now, I'll stop talking and invite you to immerse yourself in the process with me.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright. Roller coaster, make it through the day alright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on. I could never imagine something better. Yeah, right. Now you're sitting on high heat in the middle of the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better life. Let's go. All sing your heart line with the roller coaster of life. It's time to all choose your timeline on the roller coaster of life. Oh, you seem to easily forget how to place your bet. When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you over and over again. You gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over one more time.
This sound of digging when you see the crystal and trying to get it is great feeling of anticipation.
You've got to all choose your timeline with the roller coaster of life. Down the rabbit hole, down the
To make following the process even more interesting for you, I would like to share a few fascinating facts about rock crystal. The name crystal comes from the Greek word kristallos, which literally means ice. There are countless legends about the beauty and purity of these stones. For instance, the ancient Greeks believed that rock crystals were the tears of the gods fallen to earth. In ancient China, people believed it was the frozen saliva of a magical dragon living in the mountains. Honestly, it's no surprise to me that the beauty of rock crystal inspired people for centuries. I can personally spend hours admiring these crystals, especially when they contain inclusions, veils, or rainbow fractures. And I will tell you more about one such unique find at the end of this video. After several hours, feeling tired, we decided to take a walk around. Eventually we stumbled upon a small area where we found several amazing specimens. I think it's finally time to show you the most interesting ones and tell you their stories. Searching for a crystal is more than just a hunt for a stone. It is an attempt to touch crystals that were formed deep beneath the earth hundreds of years ago. I hope this little journey we took together will remind you that the beauty of the nature is all around us. But sometimes it takes a little effort and patience to find it.
When my days end, I might just fall in love. I know the DJ and I love this song. Me and you and the night feels so young. Every single moment has led up to this one. Whoa, did the stars align? Whoa, maybe it's a sign. We should do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then. And let's do tonight again. Those wicked problems are evaporating. Baby, I'm just guessing, but I've got a feeling. Whoa, we could dance all night. Whoa, not the end of time. We could do tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then. And let's do tonight again. Rewind until daylight. Repeat, rewind, and put your hands up. Oh, keep those hands up for tonight again. Even in another lifetime, find me then. And let's do tonight again. Even in
But perhaps the most interesting find is this quartz crystal. We found a so-called double-terminated crystal. It had rather uneven faces and was covered in iron oxides, but some kind of inclusion was visible inside. I decided to polish it a little. After polishing, it became clear that there are several inclusions in this crystal. Besides pyrite crystals, it contains an inclusion that is very likely to be Almandine garnet crystals. At least, based on the crystal shape and color, it looks most like Almandine garnet. What's even more interesting is that I have never seen any mention of garnet being found at the Astafievskoe deposit. So, it is possible that in my hands is a completely unique specimen.
another lifetime, find me then. And let's
And with that, I'll say goodbye for now. Please remember that subscribing, liking and commenting really helps the channel grow, as I create all these films for you. See you next time, friends. Bye bye.